So okay, as you should from Ghana. So how did your parents react? Now what you I want to take dancing serious because obvious there was a time that the women were only the time my family members didn't mean any time and didn't follow yet in 8 months here.
Oh, okay, I started taking dance seriously high school grade 11. Yeah.
So okay, it's around the
no, not high school grade 11. Yeah, not high school grade 11. Bugu mangenza grade 9. Yabona mangenza grade 9 ane. Hayi ukuthi mina i-dancing ngithathe serious. Bugu nomunye umjita bambiza ngani uMandla beka Javel Squad enye dance crew abayibiza nge-Suicide Squad. Yeah.
Ngiyabona la Jozi.
Bekhona ye-Jozi ePeria. Yeah. So mangicova kanje bangiplaka la ku i-team yabo. Yabo, beku-Suicide Squad esaqala ukujiva saba ne-first gig eMoscow and I was doing grade 10 by that time. Yeah, saba ne-gig eMoscow maboning Moscow Lodge. Yabo, saperforma kabagrand. After that bathintsha igama legroup bathi Josie's Finest. Kwajoyina abantu abaya, kwajoyina naleyo styling manje yacula styling cula nabo naleli aphiwe zinximalo Big Zulu.
So okay, I see like on this issue enontozi yokujiva most of the dancers bagcina sebacula.
Yeah.
So we can see from ijeni ka Killer Cow, mhlambe ijeni ka Kamompela. I can name them abaningi abantu abathanda senjani
becula.
Oh, remember thina singabo DJ, yabo?
Yeah, iva.
Obviously nabo Zuma no research yabona irota yabo le. Yeah. So ijeni leyo isuke change kanjani ukuthi from ukujiva ugcina sokucula khona yini into abantu abangayiboni or into abangayithuli from ukujiva kuphela gcina siyabona ukuthi let me sing.
Lapho angicavi kakhulu because angina experience yabo because nami ngokwami angiculi yabo.
So akuzicabanga ukucula ke?
Angizange ngicabanga ukucula. Maybe as time goes on mangena nabo kule industry kahle yabo angithamba ngama levels level mangena kahle maybe ngingathola iplug or what maybe ngaba inspire ikhona into ezongi-inspire phambili yabo. Nami angazi ukuthi yenziwa kanjani lento mara as time goes on nami ngizobona phambili.